cuties. Good morning. How are you? I hope you're fine and safe. Okay. Welcome to the online class. Standard 3rd, Subject Social Science, Term 3, Unit 2, Session 3, Topic Minerals Resources. Children, we are going to learn about mineral resources. Minerals are very useful and found naturally on the earth. Almost all minerals found on earth are used in one way or another for economic benefit. Children, look at this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a wire. We are using it to give electrical connection in our house. There are many thin metal wires inside this. The thin metal wires are made up of copper. Now let us see the copper. Copper is very good conductor of electricity. Copper is used in all electrical appliances including computers, televisions, mobile phones and other electronic devices. Copper is one of the most used minerals in today's world. Then next, iron ore. Another widely used minerals are iron ore. It is mainly used to produce iron. Iron ore are found at Kanjamale in Tamil Nadu. Uses of iron. Iron is used to make vehicles, engines, railway track, ships, buildings, furniture, paper clips, tools, bicycles and thousands of other items. Then next, gold ore. Children, we all know gold is very precious. Now, let us see about one of the most precious mineral, gold ore. Gold is also a very good conductor of electricity and it is found in small amounts in electronic devices including mobile phones, televisions and so on. Gold is extracted from gold ore. It is considered as one of the most precious minerals, gold ore. It is used in making jewels. Then next, let's see bauxite. The bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Servari Hills of Salem district, Tamil Nadu. Then next, uses of bauxite. Bauxite is used to make paper, purify water and refine petroleum. It is also used to manufacture rubber and cosmetics. Bauxite is used in aircraft making industry, electrical industry and is also used in making machines. Bauxite is used to make aluminium. Aluminium is used to electronics, construction, vehicles and even in utensils. It is very useful minerals is bauxite. Then next, zinc. Zinc is called the essential trace element because very small amount of zinc is necessary for human health. Our body does not store excess zinc. It must be consumed regularly as part of the diet. Common food source of zinc include red meat, white meat and seafood. Then next, uses of zinc. Zinc oxide is widely used in the manufacture of many products such as paints, rubbers, cosmetics, medicines, ink, batteries, textiles and electrical equipments. Then next, potash. 95% of potash is used for making fertilizers. If the soil does not have endopotassium, potash fertilizer are used to improve the quality of soil. The remaining 5% potash is used in commercial and industrial products such as soap. students, can you able to understand this lesson clearly? Okay, then next quiz and activity. Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. First one, the metal inside the wires are made up of dash. Answer, copper. Second one, dash is used for making jewels. Answer, gold. Third one, which minerals is used as fertilizer? Answer, potash. Zinc is found in dash. Answer, fish. Which mineral is used in aircraft making industry? Answer, bauxite. Okay students, today homework, choose the correct answer, read and write one time. Okay students, see you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.